So let's talk pest control on a commercial site. Monthly visits, food premises. What's required? Well, you need to do auditing and you need to do trending paperwork to make sure what is your higher activity in one area versus another area to manage your problem. So I've pre-opened these stations to make the video go reasonably fast because I've only got a small amount of time. This station here, 3 different baits, 3 different actives, 3 different weights. So they're not all the same weight. So they have different amounts of food for each one of those blocks with a different amount of poison and a different amount of time to kill. Now we've got another station here. Same thing, different bait, different mode of action, different amount of poison required to kill. So when you're trying to do commercial businesses and you're trying to do trending, if you change the bait, which is called cocktailing in the pest control world, then you may get a better feed, you might get a better kill changing baits. And having multiple baits in there with different actives might just get somewhere, maybe. But the issue is when you cocktail, you can't do trending. And the reason you can't do trending is because the baits are different weight, they're different kill rates, and they're different amounts. So again, we've got another type of bait. So I'm going to close these up, but I just wanted to go over how important it is when you're doing trending on commercial sites to keep the same consistent bait across the board. You may be, if you want to change baits, you need to be sure that you've got one particular type of bait in one area and a different bait in a different area. I mean, even that can be a bit decisive, a bit of an issue. Like for example, here we've got 1 station, 2 station, we've got multiple stations in the one run, and if this bait is different to that bait, then if a rodent eats this bait and then eats this bait, which bait killed that rodent? And if that bait's a big block of bait and it has a different amount in it, and then this one's a small amount, is this high activity or low activity? Because it could be in the same rat. If that one kills faster than that one, then it just messes up all your paperwork. So if you're going to do trending, run a batch of bait for a few months and then swap it over is the best way to get consistent trending. Anyway, just thought I'd update. Now I'm going to close all these stations.